It's June 9, 2021 at about 11:25, and we are just loading Tortuga onto the trailer right now, and within a couple minutes I expect that she's going to be pulled out of the shed. So we'll be headed over to put her in the water for the 2021 season. Okay, here we go. She's coming out of the shed. And there she is. Seeing sunlight for the first time since last fall. And as soon as he gets turned around, I'll follow him over to the ramp. Well, here we go, over to the ramp, and we'll get her in the water for another year. It's not very far over there. It's a little over half a mile. Well, we're backing off. We should get out of here in just a couple minutes. It was pretty hectic. They just backed me into the water. I had to scramble onto the boat without a ladder. And there's a barge about to come off. Okay, here we go. Get her turned and out of here. The barge is backing out. And we're underway. And here's Southwest Harbor. Tweak it up a little. And everything's running. And so far, bilge pumps have not come on, so the hull was reasonably well swelled up by the water I've been putting under it. The view out the forward cabin window. I don't know where this barge is going. So that was a quick launch, the quickest we've ever had. Rigged, so all I have to do is head into the dock, which shouldn't be too difficult. Wind is out of the north, which means I'm going to be blowing off the slip. But it's pretty light, so it shouldn't be much of a problem. Ugh. there at the ramp. Usually we stop and I get out of the truck and climb aboard the boat, and then we back down the ramp. But this time he just backed it straight into the water, and I had to go scramble aboard. So it was a bit of a challenge, and then we got underway very quickly. And straight ahead is Sequester. Now we should be at the marina in 8 or 10 minutes at the very most. To run at any speed until the boat's had a couple days in the water for the planks to swell up the rest of the way. So we'll keep it slow. There's a lobster boat up here. I think it's going to pick up a mooring. It has a mooring right over where it is. We'll find out. And straight ahead Princess 36 Sequester. She's been on the mooring just about 24 hours. And she'll be out there for the rest of June, July, August, September, and part of October, so 120 some days. Here we go, from here. Well, I'm at the dock. Tortuga's in the water, and we're all set for the 2021 season. Bilge pumps have run a couple of times, so she is taking on some water. And it's not bad, but it should slow down over the course of the day, and we'll see how she's going. Get a little better shot of the side of the boat here. You can see how she looks. And I got a few things to do. I got to get up there and scrub off the foredeck. It got very dirty over the winter. And that's about it. See, I missed a piece of masking tape. And here's our bow on shot. And the other side of the boat. Oh, I gotta go. My wife is coming to collect me so I can pick my truck up, and I'll be back after lunch to work on Tortuga and get everything else ready to go for the 2021 season. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I want to apologize for the sort of chaotic start, but everything is okay now. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't, I'd like you to consider subscribing to my channel to see more exciting boating videos. Thanks for watching.